falls, the sky darkens, the breath knell calls along the path among the graves in a cliff-top yard. Above the waves and the eye rises, the eye falls. Sleep upends within the halls where the friar mutters and the steeple calls. The few mass goers with their cold white hands to grit their teeth on old demands, and the eye rises. The eye falls along the slants of light to break on the sculpted riddles of stone, and the soul is a firefight alone in the gas with the stone and the truth.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Rises, the eye falls. Day breaks, cathedral thralls scuttle out while their master calls, and the lone grave digger returns the ground without a sound. The eye rises.
Alright,
now I'm gonna make the best.